everyone? Back again with another unboxing. Dia & Co. box number 3. Here's my bundle. Let's see here. I'm going to read the letter first. Do a little change up, if you will. And see what the stylist has to say today. It says, Hi Angela, I'm really excited you're back for another Dia box. It's been an incredible experience getting to know you, and thank you for the amazing feedback. Let's continue to build your wardrobe together. Every Dia gal needs the perfect pair of jeans, and the dark wash Caldwell skinny jeans are on point. Pair them with the ivory blouse and layer with the floral kimono, a chic spring staple. Add a necklace for some added sparkle. Finish the look with a pair of ankle boots for a casual boho look around town. Next, slip on the trendy yet comfy drawstring cardigan. Add a necklace, the body-loving maxi skirt, the ivory tank, and a pair of flats for a polished and chic ensemble, or glam it with a statement necklace and strappy heels for a date night. I hope you love everything, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Have fun, XO, Katie. Okay, so let's just jump right into our bundle here. First on the top I see stripes, and I think this is the skirt. This is by Chelsea and Theodore. Here's the back. Cute. Very heavy. Really good quality too. Okay, there's that. Next we have something navy. And this is the cardigan. It looks like drawstring cardigan. Here's the front. Very soft. Here's the strings here. I think it's 3/4 length sleeves. Here's the drawstrings, and it has some ruching in the neck area. Cute. Although, oh no. What? It looks, I wonder why there's a hole there. Okay. I see like a hole in the middle, which I don't know if the string is supposed to come through there or not. But we'll figure that out. This is by Prescott, New York. Cute, very cute. Okay. Let's see, next we have East Adeline. Pretty. An ivory tank with some lace detail in the front there, and a keyhole in the back. Very silky. Also very pretty. Next we have Downing Studio, and I believe this is the kimono. Very pretty. Almost has a wrinkled effect with some ruffles on the sleeves there, short sleeves. A little longer on the sides. Also very cute. And a pair of jeans, which, oh, fingers crossed. I'm so hoping these are the jeans that fit well. Morgan and Walker. They look like stretchy, skinny jeans. Here's the front and the back. Dark wash. And here's the leg. So there's that. And so now I'm going to go try on and see, you know, what fits, what doesn't fit, and go from there. I'll be back. 2 and 2. So I'm back. Well, I'm not feeling the skirt, I'll be honest. The shirt, hello, you want to say hi? Oh my goodness. What's that? Okay, so I'm not feeling the skirt, the shirt not so much, but I like the jeans. They were really comfortable. Hi. The jeans were really comfortable. The cardigan and the kimono I liked as well. So, all in all, you know, I think that this box was a success as well. I hope that everybody is enjoying their weekend and staying well and staying safe. Please heed all the warnings. Don't be a rebel and, you know, disregard for your own safety and the safety of others. But thanks for joining me. Leave a comment down below as far as what you thought fit me well and was me and what was not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and the alert bell. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Rock on. Peace. I forgot to go over the prices, so my bad. I was a little ahead of myself here, but let's get into the prices of each item. Let's see, the Prescott, New York KiKi Drawstring Cardigan in Navy was $35. The Morgan Walker Caldwell Skinny Jean Dark Wash was $69. The Downing Studio Carin Short Ruffle Sleeve Kimono was black and red. That was $45. The East Adeline Clara Lace Trim Blouse White was $35. The Chelsea and Theodore Avery Smocked Maxi Skirt Light Blue and White was $59. That makes this box's grand total $243, with the styling fee of $20 and 25% off. That brings it down to $162.25 for all the items in the box. Once again, Dia & Co., thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Rock on.